Right, so I had the problem that, as the specified papers say, you can only have it up or down, and I need it in the middle. I was quite surprised to find out there's no way to lock the arm. So it's either up or down in my speaker. Down. Upwards, actually, it should hold up to 9 kilograms, but it wasn't. The screen is 6.5. I do notice that this arm seems to be more stronger than this one. Thank fuck for that. So I did manage, with some light tinkering, let me hide my porn away, with some light tinkering to put it at exactly the height I wanted. And it fucking works now. Problem is, well, it wobbles a tiny bit when the desk moves. And I got this really ghetto fix that I shoved a screw in here. And then I was like, yeah, I'll make sure I'll just put one over here as well, on both sides. So it works. Kind of weird. I really don't get it why they couldn't have like some locking mechanism on it, but it works. And well, this one is quite pointless. Maybe if I'm lucky, I can put something on it and extend it upwards and have a camera over here. Maybe if I'm lucky. Maybe I can shove the GoPro on it. So yeah, quite a lot of mess, a lot of work, but it's working.